Can you understand English in real life? Imagine this. You call a restaurant. You want to book a table. Will you feel confident or will you feel nervous? In this video, you will listen to a real English conversation about making a restaurant reservation. Listen carefully, relax. Your English improves every time you listen. Let's begin.
Good evening. Thank you for calling Sunset Garden Restaurant. How may I help you?
Good evening. I would like to make a reservation, please.
Of course. For what day would you like to make the reservation?
For this Saturday evening.
This Saturday. Certainly. What time would you like the reservation?
At 7:30 p.m., if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we do have availability at 7:30 p.m. How many people will be dining?
It will be 4 people.
4 people.
Yes.
Noted. May I have your name, please?
My name is Michael Johnson.
Could you please spell your last name?
Yes. Johnsson.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Do you have any special requests? For example, a window seat or a quiet area?
Yes. If possible, I would like a table near the window.
Certainly, I will make a note of that. Do you or anyone in your group have any food allergies?
Yes. One person is allergic to peanuts.
Thank you for letting us know. We will inform the kitchen. May I have your phone number, please?
Yes. It is 555-239-7814.
Let me repeat that. 555-239-7814. Is that correct?
Yes. That is correct.
Great. So, just to confirm, a reservation for 4 people this Saturday at 7:30 p.m. under the name Michael Johnson with a window seat request and 1 peanut allergy.
Yes. That is correct.
Perfect. Your table is reserved. Please arrive at least 10 minutes early.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mr. Johnson. We look forward to seeing you this Saturday. Have a great evening.
Thank you. You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job. If you understood this conversation, you're making real progress. If you didn't understand everything, don't worry. Listening is a skill. The more you listen, the better you become. Listen again. Repeat the sentences. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep practicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is Sahens English School. See you in the next lesson.